So, if you guys are working in bioinformatics, you should be familiar with BLAST, Basic Local Alignment Search Tool. So, welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about BLAST and using it on command line interface. So, BLAST is what is BLAST? BLAST finds the region of similarity between biological sequences. The program compares nucleotide or protein sequence from sequence to sequence database and calculates the statistical significance. So there is a traditional way to use BLAST. You just have to open any kind of BLAST and the protein and paste your protein excision here. After that, you're gonna select the organism and just run BLAST and it will give you results. But you can use BLAST on command line interface as well. So for that, you need to have a program which is called BLAST Plus, which is written on here. BLAST Plus 2.15.0 is here. So there are two ways you can use BLAST on command line. Two ways to install the BLAST. So first traditional way is I have made a copy for you guys. Go to the BLAST page from the FTP server and choose BLAST download. So here we will go to the more BLAST news and from there we will select the FTP server. So let's talk about the version of BLAST. So there are two modes. Download the BLAST from here. So you wanna click on download BLAST and you will move to the parent directory. Here are all the versions that exist for BLAST. So there is 2.9.0 which is a stable version of BLAST. You can use that. So for that you have to just click on it and then download for your in command line environment. For example, we want to use the BLAST program in Linux. So for that we will download this file which is around 233 megabytes. For that just click here and it will start downloading BLAST. After downloading you will get something like this 243 megabytes of file in your downloads folder. And now let's install BLAST. Move to downloads, unload the file using TAR. So you can move to the downloads, downloads. After that, we will see all the existing file TAR, BF, TAR, NCBI / BLAST how to use unzip. So yeah, we can use unzip NCBI BLAST plus /x64 if we pick that. Okay, I ran into some minor problem here. So let's just copy this directory name. If we can copy this file name, I think unzip and then paste it. After that it will be unzipped. So because I already have this unzip, then you can go to bin and use all these type of tools. But there is another way which is very easy. You can use that as well. For that you just have to run this command sudo apt install BLAST plus. So we will just paste this command. After pasting it, we are going to enter and give our password, and then the BLAST will be installed. Because I have already installed BLAST in my system, then we are going to check if it is installed. So yes, you can use the BLAST from here. So after running the downloading the BLAST, what we need to download the database which is going to run the BLAST against. So how can we, sorry about that, how can we download the databases for BLAST? So we change the parent directory again and again and again. After that, we will be seeing database option, DB. We are going to click on that. After that, we have to search for a specific database that we want in which our sequences, and that database name is refsec RNA00 that we want to download, but you can download any database according to your own need. So for this purpose, I have this repository, this database that I want to download, and here it is. It is around 3 gigabytes. So after downloading this, we will get a file something like sorry about that. Yes, download, and we will get a file around a zip file. After extracting it, we will get some of these databases. So why these databases are important? Because it contains the homology sequences which it is going to BLAST against. So for that, extract the database. We are going to extract it. After extracting it, we are going to run a BLAST program. So for that, we need a sequence which we are going to name as sequence.fasta, sec.fasta, whatever you want to. I think I already have set it up for you guys. If I can find it. No, it's not it. So we will move to our database folder, which is cd downloads. After moving to the download, I'm already in the downloads, sorry for that. cd, we are going to move to the NCBI RefSec database, and after that we are going to check for the file. So here are all the files that we need. So we are going to create touch sec.fasta. After creating it, we are going to edit it. Nano, and up we are going to paste our sequence that we recently copied. After that, we are going to save it, and then we are going to see if our sequence is updated. So here we can see here is the sequence that we want. So after getting the sequence, what we are going to do is we are going to build a BLAST function, BLAST multi-query pipeline. So for that, we are going to need a command. So in this command, I'm going to explain you how this was used. So first, we need the name of the file that will be used as input, and the command will be given as query. After that, we need the name of the database we want to run the query against. So the database we have downloaded, and the out will be the file where BLAST results will be written. If we will not specify this, it will print out the result on the standard output form. So for example, I just cut the results out, and then we are going to run the BLAST nucleotide query example sec.faster because I was running example.faster. Now I will change it to sec.fast and database will remain a refsec RNA double. So BLAST opened a reference database and this is all we got. So we will paste this again and faster reader title ends with at least 20 valid nuclear was sequence extendedly put in the title line. Okay, so there is a issue with our sequence file sequence.pasta that our header line contain the contain the sequence. So we will run it again and now we will wait for the results to show. So the output file has been generated. Let's cut out the result and show it in the standard form. And here we can see here the blast has been run. We can also add results and we can see the database has searched against the different sequences or an organism and it has given us the sequence in standard form. Let's just see XM predicted fifth core, its score, its identities, its query, subject, coverage, and different hits that it got. And you can also open this in a standard form as well. Here, results. So this is how you get. So the matrix used will be BLAST and matrix, cap penalty 0, extension 0. You can edit all the options if you want to. So that's how you can install and get working with BLAST into your operating system. So I will provide you this file as well. And I will see you in the next lecture.